There is a blockage on track 3.
I'm aware. Hitting us to stop.
All right, team, lift on 3. Watch the coupling.
Control, we have the derailment secured. Starting re-rail procedure now.
Pull it tight across the track there.
Okay, placing the last cone now. We are all set here.
Look at the stress fracture here. We need support immediately.
The crane is moving into position now.
Look at this crack right here. It goes deep.
Yeah, this whole section is unstable. The metal joints are rusted through.
Check the alignment on this joint.
Looks good to me. Perfectly level.
Excellent work. Let's sign off on this section.
The resonance here is solid.
Good. Good. The tension seems right on this section too.
We finished the bridge! Great work, everyone! It looks fantastic!